Alright, so there's something I really hate, is whenever I wake up, I sometimes wake up with this, like, weird pimples and stuff. Like, in this case, I have this pimple over here, and it's so annoying because it hurts, and then it scars up. I just hate it. Alright, so something amazing happened right now. I was searching for my AirPods, right? Because, I was like, throughout the house, I was like, where are my AirPods? I couldn't find them. And so I was like asking my parents and my sister where I could find my AirPods. ¿Has mis AirPods?
Que no, ya me lo dijiste.
¿En serio no has visto mis AirPods?
No, hijo.
So I kind of found my AirPods in the, in the washing machine. Alright, so I just told my dad what's up. He got pissed at me because, AirPods are expensive or whatever. Alright, so here's the case, like this. Oh yeah. They're working, boy. The case is working. Now I'm gonna check the freaking AirPods right now. Alright, so I just put them on. And on my phone you can actually see the little icon on there. If it wants to focus, doesn't want to focus, hold on. Alright, you can see the little icon in there showing off the, the headphones. Just put them on. And they work! They work! Woo! They work, boy. I was so stressed out right now because, I love my AirPods and I kind of forgot about them in, some old pants or whatever. So, yeah, I have that situation about the AirPods. They work, but I don't know. I feel as if they're like at the brink of dying because, the charging case, it's not really working. It is working in the sense that it is charging, but whenever I plug it in, the LED indicator, the little thingy you get me, starts like to fade as if the circuitry was not working. Like, I just literally took them and placed them in some rice, and I'm gonna leave it like for 2 days or overnight or something, and I'm gonna see if that works. Food, where is the food? Maybe banana, yeah, banana would be nice. Today was a bad day. It really sucks because, first of all, I just wake up, I have this pimple over here. That kind of sucks. And then, my chair is squeaky as hell. Other than that, I left my AirPods washing in the washing machine. So yeah. I just cannot let myself be down because of a material thing. But I just enjoy music so much. I just enjoy music, and I bought my AirPods because, they're great. I don't know, I just really like the concept behind AirPods. But other than that, today we're gonna actually go to the mall. We're gonna go to a place, we're gonna go to a place called Plaza Satellite. It's really cool, I really like it over there. Do you see this? Over here, I was just talking in there, and I just saw my blinds, and it's all broken because of the goddamn cat. The goddamn cat. This cat did that. He broke my blinds. What is wrong with you? But yeah, other than that, we're gonna go to the mall today. It's gonna be fun. The only thing I don't like about going to the mall is that I can't vlog in there because it get like all pissy, like, oh, this is private property, you cannot record here. But I think if I take my smaller camera, my Sony, it should be around here. So if I take this camera, I should be able to vlog without any problems. Although, I've got to say, the quality is not gonna be as nice as with this camera. So, Alright, so quick thing, I just left my AirPods in here because it apparently works better than the rice thing, so yeah. Alright, so apparently we are gonna go to the thing, so I'm just gonna get rid of this thing and I need to put my shoes on because I gotta go. I gotta go right now, dude. Like right now. Oh god. Ah, so I'm just gonna put my shoes on because they're waiting for me actually downstairs, so you gotta hurry up. Come on. Alright, so I'm gonna take my big ass camera. Yeah. Okay. ¿Le cierro, mamá? ¿Papá le cierro? ¿Sí? No, el gato. Oh. Get in there, cat. Christ. Que yo no sé qué están haciendo, padre, que yo no te entiendo. Que si me podéis hablar en inglés.
En inglés.
Can you talk?
Yeah, of course.
You can talk in with me too in English.
Do you
of
rather
course.
prefer
Yes, because I am vlogging, my father.
rather
I am vlogging, and the people outside in the internet talk English. Alright, so we're finally here. I'm just kind of working around with my shoelaces real quick. We're here. We finally arrived. Hopefully nobody will tell me anything about recording because of the security and stuff. Always like, oh, you cannot record in here, you cannot. So we found some cats, and my dad is like in love with their cat, so he's like getting so excited about this cat. They're so cute. Gatitos. Oh, bonito. Okay, so we're gonna be eating some barbecue, and I kid you not, I love barbecue. It's just one of the best things people eat in the world. I don't know. Whoa, look at the moon. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna get brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna get brighter. Alright, so today was kind of a stressful day because, you know, my AirPods, it kind of sucked. But, you know, other than that, it was a nice day. I really liked my day. It was kind of cool. Although security kept glancing at me over the mall, it's just annoying. Just they get pissed if I record over there. But you know, who cares? But yeah, I think I'll end the vlog now.